Is your Nikon D3500 or refusing to focus, displaying odd error messages, or just not producing the sharp images you expect from your lens? Let's get that lens working perfectly again with these essential troubleshooting steps for your Nikon D3500. First, let's address dirty contacts. These small metal points are the communication highway between your lens and camera. Rust or smudges can cause intermittent connection issues. Gently use a soft, dedicated camera lens brush to clean both the contacts on your camera's lens mount and the corresponding contacts on the back of your lens. Avoid touching these contacts with your fingers, as those can also interfere with the connection. Next, ensure your lens is properly mounted. This sounds simple, but a loosely attached lens can cause all sorts of problems, including focusing issues and error messages. Look for the red dot on your lens and the red dot on your camera's lens mount. Align these red dots and then, holding the lens securely, gently twist it clockwise until you hear a distinct click. This indicates it's locked firmly into place. If you're seeing an error message on your camera's screen, try removing the lens entirely and then reattaching it, ensuring that satisfying click. Often, this simple act of reseating the lens resolves the communication error. As a further troubleshooting step, try turning your camera off, removing the battery for about 30 seconds, and then reinserting it and powering the camera back on. This can sometimes reset internal camera processes that might be causing lens recognition issues. If these steps don't solve your lens issues, the problem might lie with the lens itself, or potentially a more complex camera internal issue. You may need to consult your Nikon D3500 manual or contact Nikon support for further assistance. By following these simple maintenance and troubleshooting steps, you'll be well on your way to capturing stunning images with your Nikon D3500 and its lenses.